Today I'm going to teach you how to change checkbox position in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you're creating forms and need to reposition checkboxes to align perfectly with your document's layout or make them more accessible for users filling out your form. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to change the checkbox position. This will open your document in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, click on All Tools. This will display all the available tools and features in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. From here, you'll need to access additional options, so in the left sidebar, click on View More. This expands the menu to show you even more tools that might not be immediately visible. Look for an option called Prepare a Form and click it. This tool is specifically designed for creating and editing interactive form elements like checkboxes, text fields, and buttons. It's the key to unlocking the editing capabilities you need for repositioning your checkboxes. Here's where the actual repositioning begins. Click on the checkbox you want to move, then hold down your mouse button and drag it to your preferred destination on the page. This drag and drop method is the quickest way to reposition checkboxes, especially if you're making rough adjustments or moving them to a completely different area of the document. Alternatively, if you need more precise control over the checkbox position, right-click on the checkbox and select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens up a detailed Properties panel where you can make exact adjustments. In the top toolbar of the Properties panel, click on Position. You'll now see specific fields for adjusting the position, including left, right, width, bottom, top, and height. You can modify these values by clicking the up and down arrows next to each field to adjust the checkbox's exact placement and dimensions. This method is perfect when you need pixel-perfect alignment or want to ensure multiple checkboxes are positioned consistently. Once you're satisfied with the new position, click Close to exit the Properties panel. Your changes have been applied to the checkbox. Finally, don't forget to save your work. In the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all the changes you've made to your PDF form. And that's it. You've successfully repositioned your checkbox in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, giving you complete control over your form's layout and design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.